Unlock INTJ secrets. The thinker's mindset. The INTJ personality type, also known as the thinkers, is one of the rarest and most intellectually powerful of all the 16 Myers-Briggs personality types. INTJs are known for their intelligence, independence, and strategic thinking. They possess a unique combination of confidence, creativity, and analytical ability that allows them to excel in a wide range of fields. INTJs are natural leaders who are driven by a strong sense of purpose. They are highly logical and analytical, able to see patterns and connections that others might miss. They are also highly independent and self-motivated, preferring to work alone rather than in teams. They are often seen as big-picture thinkers who can see the potential of a situation and work towards making it a reality. INTJs are highly ambitious and driven, always striving to be the best at what they do. They have a strong sense of their own abilities and are not afraid to take risks in pursuit of their goals. They are also highly strategic, able to think several steps ahead and plan accordingly. Despite their confidence and independence, INTJs can sometimes struggle with social interactions. They are often seen as cold or aloof, and may have difficulty connecting with others on an emotional level. However, this is not a reflection of their true nature, but rather a result of their deep focus on their work and goals. Overall, the INTJ personality type is a powerful and unique combination of intelligence, independence, and strategic thinking. They possess a strong sense of purpose and are driven to succeed in all aspects of their lives. While they may struggle with social interactions, they are respected and admired by those who understand the depth of their abilities. Like and subscribe.